So you got yourself a pair of Nike Adapt BBs. Self-lacing shoes, but what do the buttons actually mean? And actually, are these buttons too close to the ground? Are they going to get dirty? But hey, that's a different question. So the back button here releases or loosens the laces within these shoes, and the front button here tightens them up. So I'm not sure if you can actually see anything, but there you go. You can see the tongue kind of self moving there. There you go. That's at its tightest, and if I press the other button to loosen them up, you can see the tongue going up there as well and loosening it up. Obviously, if you're running out of charge, both these buttons will glow red. If it needs to be charged, amber means you need to charge pretty soon, yellow means there's plenty of charge, and green means they are full. So if I press these, you can see they're green, so there's plenty of charge there. And if you're going to get low battery warning, you're going to get 3 red flashes at the end of an interaction, but these are green, so we've got plenty of charge here. Now you can press any button for a couple of seconds to get an indicator of what the battery life is like. So if I press any one of these, there you go, they're green, which means we've got full battery. If these were red, that would mean charge now, amber means charge soon, yellow means plenty, and as we've seen, green is fully charged. Now to charge these, you simply place them on the mat. A low battery warning is 3 red flashes at the end of an interaction, but I'm just getting green here, so we're all good. A critical battery means 3 red flashes, and it only allows you to unlace your shoes. You can't tighten them up. Now even when the battery is completely flat, you can unlace your shoes. There's a little bit of reserve power there, so you can at least get your foot out. So we've got a Nike charging pad plugged in here, and if we want to charge our shoes, you simply place them on the pad, and you can see the amber light across the front here and the green one across the back, just flashing, symbolizing that these things are actually charging. And if I just turn the lights off a little bit, you can see those a little bit better. And if I just move around to this side here, and if I just place the other shoe on top of here, you can see lights start flashing again. We've got green across the front, amber across the back here, again symbolizing that the shoe is charging. How cool and simplistic is that? No messing around with plugging a puck in underneath these things. And that's what the buttons do on these self-lacing Nike Adapt BBs. And Nike actually say get a half a size bigger because they're going to be pretty tight. So I think I should have gone for maybe a full size bigger though, because these are pretty tight as standard. But it's cool when they self-lace. Thanks for watching. Have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time.